Hey, is that a bird?
No, that's a bird.
Oh, another bird. Oh, look at all the birds.
John and Sean, the Bird Bros here. It's a crappy day. Well, it's a day.
Yeah, we're looking for a Fox Sparrow. That's the first one on the list for today. And then we're just keeping our eyes open for winter finches. It's an explosion year.
That's true. All right, let's get going.
Oh, looks like we got a coyote there in the bush, keeping an eye on us. And we got a white-breasted nuthatch here in the tree. Nuthatches will cache their food in little cracks in between the tree bark.
Yeah.
And then come back and, eat it later.
Yeah.
Or just forget about it.
Yeah. There are two types of nuthatches in Ontario, the white-breasted and the red-breasted. The white-breasted being the larger of the two.
What do you see, John?
Got a little white-breasted nuthatch here. Just pecking away, looking for some food.
Oh, there's Widgeon, and it seems alarmed. I wonder what its deal is. Oh shit, Sean, look over there. It's a Cooper's hawk. The main food source of the Cooper's hawk is songbirds. And you can tell it's gotten quiet all of a sudden. Be aware, little birdies.
So we just saw a Cooper's hawk in a tree.
Yeah?
Pretty cool. We don't really have the greatest footage of that yet, so we got some good footage today. Nice red eye. Very, very cool.
Always love a Cooper's hawk, unless you're a bird.
Yeah, that's true.
Well, moving down the path, looks like we got some sparrows feeding here on the ground. What type of sparrows are these, John?
House sparrows. Frickin' invasive species. Oh. So, there's another sparrow in the bush over there. Oh. It's a white-throated sparrow. You can tell because it's got that white throat.
Commonly found in brushy patches, in or near open, mixed forests.
This one is in its first year of plumage. As you can see, the bands on top of its head would be fully white if it was an adult. But they are beige.
It's commonly seen with groups of other sparrows, like song sparrows and house sparrows. And there's a little Downy feeding on some seed here. We were lucky enough that someone left some seed here on the log and attracted all these birds.
Male Cardinal here. Beautiful and red.
Seems like all the birds are getting along today.
And that damn house sparrow. Psh, whatever.
In this weather, the red plumage of the Cardinal is just shining nice and bright. Oh, but we got something else in here.
Oh, is that the target bird? The Fox Sparrow? I can't see it. Zoom in. Where? Oh, top. There. I think that's it, Sean. Fox Sparrow!
Fox Sparrow!
Sweet!
Fox Sparrow!
Ching!
Fox Sparrow!
Fox Sparrow! It's a sweet bird. get the life list out because we've got to make a check mark.
Fox Sparrow has a reddish back, sort of like a fox. People have spotted fox sparrows as far as Greenland, Iceland, Ireland, Germany, and Italy. Some of these vagrant birds probably made their cross-ocean journey by ship after touching down to rest on a vessel far offshore.
Ships ahoy! Oh, sun's out, guns out. The rain is gone. Woo! It's fairly large for a sparrow, bigger than the house sparrows, and, you know.
Fossils of fox sparrows dating back to 11,000 years old have been found in the La Brea tar pits in California. These birds are ancient.
Whoa! A gray catbird! What's he doing here? A little late in the season for these guys. He must be filling up on these berries real quick, so he can finally take that long flight back home to Central and South America. Wicked! These are cool birds. Sweet!
Whoa, and what's that sneaking up there?
Whoa, is that a dog? No, it's a fox.
Black fox!
Oh, I think technically it's a silver fox. Wicked!
Some people call these foxes spirit foxes.
Wicked! Wicked!
Oh, and now we're moving to the water. Looks like we got a widgeon here. American widgeon!
These are cool birds. Sweet! Whoa! What's that little bird there? On the rocks. Did you see it? Oh, an American Pippit! Right on! Oh, is that another one? Is that a male and female couple? These guys are real cool. We've only seen Pippits once before. A small little songbird, kinda like a robin.
Love seeing more than one bird, especially when you can get them in the same frame.
An adorable little couple. These guys probably just landed on the rocks after flying across the lake, or are just getting psyched up before they fly across.
Oh, and we got a shorebird here.
Oh, I think that's a new sandpiper, bro.
It's a purple sandpiper.
Ah, sweet. Another life bird.
Whoa, we've never seen those before. This is a first.
Wicked!
The purple sandpiper has the northernmost wintering range of any shorebird.
You can typically find them in migration season on long rocky outcrops, such as piers. They also like them rocky coastlines.
The oldest known purple sandpiper was at least 20 years, 9 months old. Purple sandpiper has pretty stocky legs, and it doesn't mind getting low to feed.
The purple sandpiper is found along the east coast. Yeah, these guys make their babies way up there in the Arctic. These are hardy birds.
It turns out that rainy days aren't always the worst for birding. In fact, we saw a ton.
Thanks for stopping by, guys. Appreciate y'all. Anyways, take care, subscribe, like the video, share it. Stay fly.